Okay, and here is your science for the day. 1.3 electric and magnetic forces. I know you guys have done this before. I'm sure each one of you guys has gone down one of these slides at one point in your life, whether it was at the McDonald's play place or school or the park or wherever, but something magnetic happens. Your hair stands on end because there's some kind of electric magnetic force making it do that. The same thing also happens when you rub a balloon against your head and then stick it to the wall. There's some kind of electromagnetic force happening. So you're going to read about how this happens. I'm going to start here on page 21 and go read through. Make sure you understand it. See, there he's rubbing his head right there. See, I told you about it. That looks like fun. Okay, if anybody does that at home, take a picture, please. That looks amazing. So you're going to answer these questions here. You're going to keep going down. And pretty much everywhere there's a question. So right here, there's a question. Now look, it says create a model or diagram showing how magnets would start the train moving forward. Draw? What do you mean? We can't draw. Yeah, let's find out. Now let's pretend we're using Mr. Merrill's right now, but let's pretend it's ours. Remember, you go to View Assignment, go to Add or Create, and you can actually do drawings. Did you know that? Let's draw Mr. Merrill a picture. Should we? Yeah, I think we should, if it ever loads up. So we're going to draw Mr. Merrill something. How should we do this? Let's see. Where does it work? Hold on. Okay, so I found it. You're going to go to Insert and go down to Line. You can do, I would go down to Scribble, okay? Because then you can pretty much draw whatever you want. You can draw that. Wait, hold on. That's not Scribble. Hold on. Wait, what is going on? Oh, here we go. So, hold on. Well, that was fun. I'm learning with you guys. So, you can do a line. So you draw a line here, connect that line. So I'm doing like modern art. But you can do that. You can use curve. See how it's making a curve there? Okay. Whoa. And it just won't stop. You might have to mess around with this a little bit. And you can scribble, which I recommend, because you can draw everything you want with the scribble. Okay, now I don't want it to look like this. I want you to actually draw what's happening in that picture we're talking about. But this is kind of fun too, I'll be honest. This is kind of like modern art. What else do I need? What is that? Okay, what? Make a little, oh, there we go. See, I made a triangle. Okay, so mess around with it. You can figure it out if you need to do the drawing. If you need to draw something on a piece of paper and take a picture of it and then attach it to this, you can do it with a file, but however you want to do it. All right. Okay, go ahead and finish your science today and have a great weekend. Remember, Friday is a great day to get caught up if you haven't gotten everything done. Don't throw Friday away. Use it to your advantage. All right. So I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will talk to you after the weekend.